Angola is a South Central African country surrounded by Democratic Republic of Congo to the north, Zambia to the east, and Namibia to the south, with an estimated population of 31.79 million persons. Though Angola has been broken by destruction of the post-colonial civil war, which ended in 2002, the country claims to be the fastest growing economy in the world, with various mining exports and tourist industries supporting the claim. From nature, the country Angola has been the most spectacular, with springboks, lions, elephants, gorilla, and boasts an expansive coastline of Atlantic Ocean and beautiful blend of grasslands, savannas, tropical forests, and urban expanses inland. Angola is the 20th largest country in the world, which share cultural aspects with Portugal. Portuguese is its official language. It is also the second largest country that produces oil and diamond. Other attractions in Angola include the Dilolo Lake, Benguela, famous for its Portuguese architecture, Gandagal National Park, Dala Waterfall, exotic wildlife species, not forgetting its beautiful restaurants and hotels. Its national dish is Mwamba de Galina. Angola is undoubtedly a beautiful and mysterious country that is willing to reward any adventurous traveler to Angola.